So folks, in today's video, I'll show you how to replace the ink toner cartridge on the Brother HL-L2460DW. And if you're looking to buy toner cartridges for this printer, I'll leave links right below the video, so feel free to check those out. And to do that, I'm going to open up the front toner cartridge compartment, and then I'm going to pull the cartridge out of the compartment using this pull handle up here. And I've gotten the old cartridge out of the compartment, and we're now going to prep the toner cartridge for installation. And to do that, we're going to tear open its foil bag, pull the toner out of the bag, and then we've got to remove this orange piece of protective shipping plastic. And to do that, I'm going to pull on the tab up here and disengage it and pull it out gently. And let's turn it around, and we're going to pull this other tab up here and gently detach it from the toner, and we can now throw this away. So I'm going to insert the cartridge with the green Brother label pointing towards me or pointing out of the printer, and the Brother logo up here in the gray plastic facing upwards. And I'm going to gently insert that into the compartment, and then I'm going to push it in, and it's kind of along a bit of a curve, so it goes all the way in and then seats in with a click. And once you hear that click, you know that the cartridge is correctly installed. Then you can close this compartment up here. And folks, as I mentioned earlier, if you're looking to buy toner cartridges for this printer, I'll leave links right below the video, so feel free to check that out. Hope this video has been useful. If it has, please hit that like button, and please also consider subscribing to my channel for more reviews, unboxings, and how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.